Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about milk saucepans and what makes a good one. In the UK you can pay from £3.50 up to £149 for a milk saucepan, which is about $197 US. But price doesn't guarantee you a better milk saucepan. A milk saucepan is a simple thing to design, you'd think. So why do so many manufacturers get it so badly wrong? Currently, most milk saucepans are too shallow, making them far too easy for the milk to boil over. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, chances are you've experienced milk boiling over on your stove and the subsequent cleanup. Manufacturers rarely consult chefs about the designs of their equipment, which is sad. And that's why they get so many designs wrong. I don't understand why they can't get this basic principle that milk and cream expand rapidly once they get close to the boiling point. Therefore, you need a deeper saucepan to handle that without causing a mess. So let me first tell you what not to look for when you're going to buy a milk saucepan. Don't buy a milk saucepan with a wooden handle, because eventually that wooden handle will become scorched and then become loose. Don't buy a milk pan that has a black Bakelite handle, because Bakelite is a form of plastic and eventually that will become brittle and also crack, making your saucepan unsafe. Don't buy an aluminium saucepan, even though an aluminium saucepan, and the Americans would say aluminum saucepan, will be one of the cheaper saucepans out there, because lots of foods get tainted when you cook them in aluminium saucepans, and that includes milk or cream. If you buy a stainless steel saucepan, that's not a bad choice, but the trouble with stainless steel is if your milk burns or scorches on the bottom of the pan, that's a big cleanup. So now let me tell you about what I look for when I'm out to buy a milk saucepan. First off, I want a non-stick saucepan because that's a much easier cleanup. Secondly, I want some weight to the saucepan, because if it's a really thin saucepan, it can scorch milk or cream too easily. But very key and important is the depth of the saucepan. This one is about 13 centimeters in depth, which is about 5 inches. And because it's deeper, it gives you that much more time when the milk or the cream is expanding to get it off the heat and save it from boiling over. Now, I'm not here to recommend a particular brand, though this is pretty good. When I first got it, I saw that it had a bent over design to the handle, and I wondered whether that would be an issue with it getting too hot when it's on the stove, but it doesn't get too hot. And because it's metal handle, it's not going to get loose. This is riveted to the body of the pan, and it's going to stay there for a long, long time. So hacks don't always work. Some of you might have seen or read about the hack that if you put a wooden spoon on the top of a saucepan, it won't boil over. Well, guess what? When it comes to milk, this hack doesn't work, particularly if the milk saucepan is very shallow, as this one is. So in conclusion, we hope you found this video useful. Please leave your comments about your experiences with your milk pans below in the comments. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. We'll see you again. Thank you.